New beams in a can. Yo, what's up guys? We're back on the Terra Crew budget Ranger build. This is Black Beauty right here. I am flying solo today until James and Nelson are back, and I'm gonna take care of some of the dirty prep work right now before we bolt on the new suspension. I know that I have to cut some rivets off of the frame before we bolt on the new brackets. Once we do that, we'll just clean up the frame a little bit with sanding and some black paint, and then we'll be underway to like start really bolting on the brand new stuff. So yeah, I'll show you guys under the truck what we have to cut off, and then we'll just get down to it. Underneath the truck, here's some of the pieces we're gonna have to cut off. So here's our rivets right here that bolt on our beam brackets, and we're gonna go ahead and cut those in half with a cutoff wheel, and then air chisel them off and then punch them through. So we're gonna take these three at least off. There's one right here. Take those three off. I think there's three on the other side bracket, and then these two here for the radius arm mount, those will have to come off, and then we'll undo these bolts later to drop the crossmember down. Once I go ahead and do the front ones, then I'm going to reposition the jack stands in a better spot on the frame. That's pretty much it. We're just going to get down to cutting stuff off. Okay guys, you just saw me cut these rivets. I like to do 2 cuts on them to make it into 4 pieces to easily chisel off. We'll get the heads off and punch them out with that air chisel that's very loud.
On to a satisfying portion of the build, spray painting old parts.
Look at that. New beams in a can.
Brand new. So we've been cleaning up the truck, getting it ready for paint, cleaning some stuff up. Dylan found some stuff that we had to handle.
We changed the ball joints. I can show you what the old ball joints look like, but they were all like floppy like this. You don't want that when you're going down the road. We got some urethane bushings in here now. So
nice.
We're gonna basically reassemble everything, all the beams, and then get it back on the truck with some new brake pads, and it'll look like $1 million compared to what it was before. So
awesome.
It should be pretty cool.
All right, let's get it. All right guys, so we're just painting the frame, we just painted the beams, we painted a bunch of stuff. Let's keep this party going. Hey guys, so we just got this drop bracket in right now. We're gonna do the other side. We're kind of getting everything prepped for when the rest of the boys can get here, so we just kind of throw everything on together.
How long did that take?
A few trips to the grinder, trip to get the torch, a bunch of hammer swings, I don't know. Too long for a pitman arm. But here we are.
We're gonna learn how to build stuff like they did in the 1900s.
Tools make all the difference, dude.
Seriously. Having organized tools to knowing where they are, it makes the process go so much faster. Having the right tools for the application, like...
I've never used these, so...
Dude, they're amazing, bro. I'm over here...
Here you go.
I'm back in 1990 over here. You're in freaking...
Well,
take me to 2023, my guy.
Yeah, but contrary to popular belief, it's always better to
assemble everything with hand tools so that you know if something's going wrong. Never thought of that one, huh?
So we just went straight to just equal length.
Yep. Kingpin.
Straight to jail.
Oh, you know, just unbolt the stock stove. It lines right up, doesn't it?
It is not that simple.
It is that simple.
Why you mad?
Why are you mad?
I don't even know what that is. Dude, that just shows my age with you guys.
Nah.
Yeah, I know.
This truck was not only off-roaded by us, but the previous owner, like stock mob and stuff, you know, and freaking damn near 30-something-year-old truck, dude, right? Almost 30 years old.
Yeah.
Can you imagine what this truck's probably been through and everything? So it's nothing's ever gonna line up just perfect, you know. So new boot goofing.
New boot goofing.
I just want to get up.
Work on it.
I
Work.
just want to get up.
Do it.
Beams, the magical fruit.
Our beam mount is a little bit loosey-goosey, but
It's more travel.
yeah,
Yeah.
that factors into the travel.
Yes.
That's for good ride quality. That'll help.
Alright, after we wrapped up our suspension install, I got that side exit exhaust knocked out with the Black Widow Widowmaker 10 muffler. And then we got the Baja Designs gear all installed. That's the Onyx 620-inch bar behind the grill. We got S2 dust lights. And then we got the 4x4 S-Pod all to manage it. Then we went ahead and wrapped our factory Ranger wheels repainted in some 33-inch Gladiator tires in their AT pattern with a 10.5-inch width, so they'll be nice and light. Then topped it off with some spares in the back, and she's ready to go.
We're gonna test the Ranger